close to Wildcat. Got some rock crawlers up here in front of us. We made this whole trip so far without it raining, and now it's raining. That figures. Here we are. Wow, they have law enforcement up here. Must be a big crowd. Oh yeah, there is. Look at all the campers. Wow. It's gonna be a busy day here at the Wildcat Offroad. Yeah. Well, we're here, but there's like 80 million people here, so I don't know how long it's going to take to get signed in. There's like 8 million people here. Yeah, man. Wow, so we're out here for the Southern Rock Racing Series event at Wildcat Off-Road Park. And there are 1 million people here today. Woo! What's up? I'm trying to get some video of the hill that they're gonna be trying to conquer up there. Looks like a pretty good hill. They got it laid out nicely. Some good rock ledges over there on that side. Should be a fun day. Fits you nicely. It's like they're all lined up, ready to go. Some pretty nice machines over there. Yeah, these guys have a lot of money in these rock buggies, but that's what it takes to be safe and to have the horsepower to get up the hill, I guess. So I should be getting started here pretty shortly.
Best seat in the house. Yeah. actually reached out. She knew.
Driving over here to this hill now. Going to attack the main course. So now we're getting ready to change courses. The drivers are going up the hill to try to check out the conditions, see what they got to work with here. This round should be pretty fun. This is when they start to get a little bit more hardcore. I don't know. Okay.
That's crazy.
The helicopter just came in and stirred up all the dust. He's done this time. Woo! So we're finally back home again. That was a pretty fun day up there at the Southern Rock Racing Series at Wildcat Offroad Park. You know, the Wrangler did a pretty good job pulling this trailer. We've got a Ranger 570. That's a full-size model, so it's a pretty heavy machine. I think the trailer itself was around 1,000 pounds, and that one's probably a little over 1,000, maybe 1,300 or something. So 23, maybe 2,400 pounds, plus we had all kinds of gear and cargo back here in the back, and my son and I were riding in there. And the Wrangler did pretty well. We averaged about 14 miles per gallon on the trip. Took us about 3 hours round trip. So all in all, not too bad. Dixie didn't get to go this time, but next time we go up there, we're going to take her. Oh, and by the way, this machine does pretty well. We hit some trails that were fairly hardcore. We bottomed out a few times, and obviously it's still got the stock tires on it. So, but you know, it kept up with like the Razors and the Generals and the machines that had more aggressive tires and are more purpose built for that type of activity. This thing actually kept up with them pretty good. So all in all, pretty fun day, guys. And hopefully, like I said, we'll have some more trips later on this spring with the JL. All right, guys, I'm gonna head in here because I got to clean all this stuff up and do some laundry now. It was dusty out there today, so we'll talk to you later.